In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Microsoft account to the Authenticator application. Now, well, the first thing you want to do is you want to install Microsoft Authenticator, which you can download completely for free regardless of whether you're on an iOS device or on an Android device. If you're on an Android device, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and then just look up Microsoft Authenticator right over here. Then you're able to go ahead and install it. If you're on an iOS device, go ahead and open up the App Store and you should be able to go ahead and install it for free. Anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on open just like so. All right, once you open up the Microsoft Authenticator application, you may need to go ahead and input your device password. But anyways, what you want to do from here in order to add an account is go to the top menu and press on this plus button right over here. Then go ahead and select on whether it's a personal account for work or school or any other account. It really is up to you. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and select on personal account right over here. And then it is going to give you two different options. You can sign in with Microsoft or you can go ahead and scan a QR code. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Microsoft. Then it is going to go ahead and begin adding the account. All right, then it is going to give you the Microsoft sign in page. So go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account like you normally would. So I'll be right back with you guys once I entered in the email and password. All right, once you went ahead and sign in, it may ask you for verification via a single code use that they will email you to your Gmail. So please be prepared to open up your Gmail. But there you go. It is then going to say, welcome to phone sign in. Then it is going to give you a little bit of a tutorial that you guys can go ahead and watch. So go ahead and press on got it. And then now it is successfully added and go ahead and press on done. And now whenever you're trying to sign into that Microsoft account, you need to go ahead and open up the Authenticator app and then it is going to give you a temporary code. And this is really good to protect your account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.